Welcome to Maupin, Oregon, the future home of the Deschutes River Athletic Complex.
It'd be really cool, honestly. The whole community uses our track. If there was something better here, then more people would come to use it. If we could host a meet, then the whole community could come. It'd be awesome to have our own meet. Like, that would be cool.
The vision is to build a world-class facility, but also create a community asset, super impactful for the community, the track team, the football team, the school, but it also blended agricultural education, outdoor recreation, tourism, and it has a great economic impact on this community.
It's just hard to train on a surface like this because it's cinder and very uneven, and around the edges you have to watch out for holes and gravel spots. You lose so much footing. Each time you move, your foot slips. Your times are off because your feet are literally slipping underneath you. And it's different on a cinder track and on a regular track. So it just changes everything when you go to a real meet compared to when you're training at home.
I see the potential of bringing in world-class athletes, teams, is interacting with high school, middle school kids to really share the beauty and the impact that they could have on this community.
This Maupin world-class track will be such a cool opportunity for professional runners to come out there and showcase what Portland has to offer. It's only an hour-and-a-half drive. It's a beautiful drive. And just the kids being able to interact with the professionals. That's like the coolest part about our sport is there's not this huge divide like the NFL where normal people can interact with professional athletes. You're literally 10 feet away from them. It would be so cool to have an event like that, and it's overlooking the Deschutes River with these mountains in the background.
The ability to have a world-class athlete like Craig Engels coming here and running a race and having an interaction with the youth in the community is an incredible inspiration for those that are, really inspiring to be better in the sport.
Track and field has been such a cool thing in my life. A few times I've almost gone off the rails and taken the wrong path, and luckily running's been there for me this whole time to keep me on a straight and narrow path, and I couldn't be more thankful for it. So anytime I can, I like to give back to running and help the youth with the same opportunities I've been given.
Having a track complex here, programming track meets that are world-class that can be live streamed to the world. We see this as a potential training facility to really experience the amazing, authentic Oregon and this community that is so welcoming.
Maupin would be a great place not only to race, but also to train. There's a bunch of trails nearby, perfect weather, 300-something days of sunshine a year. And this would be also a great opportunity for the local kids and local runners to interact with the runners. Like if the Bowerman team came out there, they could go on a run or two with the local kids and the local runners. A great opportunity for a youth camp or a professional camp. The World Championships are going to be in Eugene in 2021. Maybe some national teams could come out there and train there. They could stay in the lodges. There's ample room for them. This is such a cool place for a camp because there's so many more activities besides running to do.
A really special project to bring economic impact year-round to this community.
A new world-class facility where world-class runners could come and set times here on our track.
So I'd love to be the first one to be on the Maupin track and break 4 minutes.